Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will talk about views. This is something that I really enjoy in Business Central, that you can create your own report. So let's go to Business Central and check how we can do this. So basically here, I will create one view with the customer ledger entry. So first thing is find what is the data that you want to create the view. So customer ledger entry. Okay. Here you can add the filters, so you can hide. So let's show now is visible, but if it's not visible, you can click here, for example, it's not visible, and then you click, you can see here the filters. How this work? So basically here what we have in terms of data is all the invoice and payment for the customer, and then what you can do here is to execute some filters and save this as a report that you can use daily or every time that you need. So basically what I will do here, I will create like a overdue invoice. So basically what I will do in terms of data is first let filter here just the invoice that is open, all the documents that is open, right? Because also I need to add the filter to filter just the invoice. So let's first with open. So you just have to type, so you can see here that you have the open, and then when you click here you can select all the documents that the open is yes, that means that is open, that is our case because you want the overdue invoice, but if you want to do a report, or if you want to export all the invoice that was already paid, you can select no. So let's start with the document that is open. I think here, as I can see in the field, everything is invoice, but to make sure this, because you can see here that I have invoice that is not overdue yet, and all this red is because it's overdue. Okay, remember here that my work date is April of 2002. Okay, so in this case, what I will do, I will add this filter also, the document type. So you just have to type here, document type, and then select what is the document type that you want. In this case, I will want just invoice, and then I will filter the data. So what I will use here is the due date, and I will filter all documents until 30th of March. Okay, so you can see here that is all the documents that I have, and then after that the only thing that I need to do is save this. So I will click here, and then you can add a name. So I will put overdue, invoices, okay, and then this is my report. and then I can go and I can check if I want to check one document, for example. I just need to double click here and see this. Okay. Okay, so I can access and let's see, let's move back. Let's go to my whole center again. And then you ask me, but I don't want to do this every day, right? I want to keep this report, and every day in the morning I can check this. Okay, this is the idea of the view, right? When you save this, and if you go back again to the customer ledger entry, you see that this view stay there, and you can see here that I have my overdue invoice, so I just have to click and see the data. Also, what I can do here in this case, if I want to change this filter, also I can do. So let's see, I want to check this just until 31 of January. I can do this also. Okay. If I don't save, it's okay. If not, I can go back the filter and all good. Okay. And the good things is that you can do this for every table in Business Central. So here I did this for customer ledger entry, but also what I can do here in a simple way, I can go here and say I want now just the payment. I can see that I don't have any payment, so let's keep as just invoice. But this is something that you can do. You can change the filter and check the data. Also, you can go to the vendor ledger entry and do something similar. Also, you can do this in the accounting GL entries. You can do this in the item entries, in every table in Business Central. You can do this in the customer, in the vendors, in the items, as you want. Okay, so here the same, the concept is the same. You just have to go here and add the filters that you want. You can see here that we have payments in the vendor ledger entry. So let's do like that. Document type, and then what I will select here is just the payment. Okay, and what I can do here, I have more data here, so I want to see what is the payments that I did in 2001. So I can go here and add, I can put due date, or I can put, in this case, posting date, because we are talking about just payment. So I will put posting date, and I will put until 31 of December 21. Okay, I don't have any data, so let's remove here the filter. Let's check our data. Okay, okay. Posting date, okay, so let's put Okay. No doubt. Okay. Let's check again. Okay. Seems that we don't have any data. Okay, but I have here. Thank you. Okay, so now we have data. And then what I can do here, I can copy paste to Excel and check this, what is the amount and what was paid in this period. And I also can save this, and here I can put the payment or invoice paid. Okay, and then next time that I access NAV, I will have this view and I don't need to create this again. So this is the idea how to create views in Business Central. You can use this in every list or every table that you have data. Please let me know if you have any doubt. Please add your comments and subscribe my channel. Thank you.